Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about this awesome car vacuum. It's perfect for pretty much everyone. It's portable, it can reach in any place, and it's powerful even though it's so small. It comes with an LED light so you can actually see what you're cleaning. Having this, it's really nice and easy just in between, car washes and stuff. You can go ahead and just use it really quickly, and it saves you time and money, which is really nice and super convenient. Like I said, it's perfect for anyone, but it's also great for families. As you can imagine, having dogs in the car, all the hair gets all over the place, having little ones, there's food, there's spit up, all that fun stuff. This is where the vacuum comes in really handy. It comes with several different attachments so you can actually clean all the spots of your car and get in all those really small crevices. The vacuum itself is super easy to use. It's really easy. You just grab the plug and plug it right into your cigarette adapter, and the cord is really long. You won't have to worry about it stretching all the way to your trunk. As long as your seats fold down, you can use it back there, no problem at all. It comes with a carrying case so you can take it from your car to your home to a small apartment, anything like that. What I really like about the vacuum is it doesn't take up hardly any space. I can store it under my seat or in my trunk, and I still have room for everything else I need. It's really easy to clean. All you have to do is get the filter, dump it out, and you're done. It also comes with an air freshener so it keeps your car smelling nice and fresh. So if you're someone who has a messy car, kids, dogs, just want to keep a clean car at all times, I highly recommend this because this works.